Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to our very first journey into corporate governance. Think of this as the driver's manual of how companies run. Who controls the steering wheel? Who presses the brakes? And who ensures we do not crash? Imagine a cricket match in your mohalla street. No umpire. Every ball is an argument. Every decision turns into a fight. Now imagine the same match with a fair umpire. Suddenly, everyone plays properly. Fair umpire does matter. Corporate governance is the umpire for companies. Now let me tell. Who has played tape ball cricket without an umpire and what happened? So, what exactly is corporate governance? Simply, it is the system of rules, practices, and processes that direct and control a company. Another name of company is corporation. The shareholders are the owners. They hire a board to watch over managers. The managers run the company day to day, and all of this affect employees, customers, suppliers, society at large. Like gears in a machine, each part moves the other. Let's think of your own family. Parents, like shareholders, set expectations. The elder sibling board supervises. Younger siblings act like managers, do the chores. And even neighbors, stakeholders are impacted, whether it's a noise, respect, or harmony. A household runs on governance too. If parents do not set rules at home, what happens? Tell me. What happens? Segment 3. Why governance matters. Governance matters because it builds trust, helps better decisions, prevents corruption, and ensures long-term survival, sustainability. A trust is like glass, break it once, and even if repaired, the cracks remain. Decisions are like traffic lights, without them, accidents pile up. Corruption controls is like a lock on a cupboard. It keeps what's inside safe. And sustainability, it is like the roots of a tree. Without them, the tree falls. Look at Pakistan. Unilever builds trust with consistent quality. Banks report quarterly at PSX, helping better decisions. But the sugar scandal showed hidden corruption that hurt the public. Agro through diversification has survived decades. Which case do you think is a warning for Pakistan and which inspires you? Let's move to segment 4, governance in Pakistan. In Pakistan, think of 4 referees: SECP, PSX, Companies Act 2017, and the Code of Corporate Governance 2019. SECP is like the principal, making sure no one cheats. Pakistan Stock Change or PSX is like the exam board, demanding full results. The Act 2017, Companies Act 2017 is like the official rule book of the school. And the Code 2019 is like the guidelines for good behavior in class. If SECP, Security and Exchange Commission of Pakistan, is the principal, who are the students? Now, segment 5. 4 key principles. 4 pillars. Good governance stands on 4 pillars: transparency, number 2, accountability, number 3, fairness, and the last one, responsibility. Transparency is like a clear glass of water, nothing hidden. Accountability is like your teacher checking homework. Fairness is like every student getting the same exam rules. Responsibility is like borrowing a bicycle and returning it safely. On Pakistan Stock Change, companies share results. That is transparency. Boards question managers in meetings. That is accountability. Small investors raising hands in annual general meetings, AGMs. That is fairness. CSR means corporate social responsibility by companies like Angro and Unilever. CSR by companies like Angro and Unilever, it's responsibility. Let's do a group task. Give me one example from Pakistan for each pillar. Are you ready? Let's proceed. Segment 6. Islamic perspective. Islam is not silent here. 3 guiding lights: Amana, trust; Adl, justice; and Ahsan mean excellence. Hazrat Umar Farooq Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu once refused to use a candle bought with public money for personal work, for private use. He said, "This candle belongs to the people, that's governance. Every resource, every action is a trust." Now take a pause. Please tell me, in your student life, how can you practice amana, trust? This is segment 7 now. Global versus local failures. Without governance, even joints fall, and Ron collapsed like a balloon. WorldCom crumbled like a weak tower. In Pakistan, PA was grounded. Steel mills rusted, and the sugar scandal hurt millions. The cycle is always the same. Fake profits, collapse, job losses, reforms. But why wait for collapse when prevention is possible? Dear class, tell me, which collapse do you think hurt Pakistan most? PIA, steel mills, or sugar? Segment 8. Let's reflect. Why does governance matter in Pakistan? How does Islam guide accountability? What poor governance examples do you know? Class activity. I'm going to split the class into 3 groups. Each will take one question. You can discuss it for 3 minutes, and please only share one key point. Let's start. Let's do a recap. So today we learned governance is about rules, roles, reporting, and responsibility. It stands on 4 pillars: transparency, accountability, fairness, and responsibility. In Pakistan, SECP, Pakistan Stock Exchange, the Companies Act, and Code guide us. And Islam teaches Amana and Adl. Three volunteers. I need 3 volunteers. Yes, now tell me in one sentence, what is governance? Each in one sentence. What is governance? Why does it matter? And what does Islam teach? Inshallah, in our next class, we will dive deeper. Pakistan's governance framework and the 4 pillars in action with real company case studies. Which pillar do you think Pakistan needs most today?